Hello friends, this is another part of packman tutorial, and in the last part we have created a ghost which is an enemy here. So what we will do, we will give some programming to this code. To give programming to this code, we go to the motions, and from here we go to the code first of all, and in the code we will go to events and take when green flag clicked. So in the beginning we want this goes to give some position, like it will start from this position. So for that we go to the motion, and we take go to x 171 and y 1414. So this is its position, and what we will do, we will fix its position to this go to position. And after that, what we will do, we will create a vector here, and the vector will be created with a new name. We go to the vector and create make a vector, and in make a vector we go and select for this sprite only, and in this for this sprite only, the name of the vector is direction here. So we click here and write down direction, and after that I put OK. So we have a direction vector here, and then we go to variables and set direction vector 2. Like this its direction will be on the four side. It will either go to the right side, left side, up side, or down side. So to have a four directions, what we will do, we go to the operations, and from operations we will take pick random position, and then we give it four positions. Instead of having many positions, we give it four, so it can go to any position. Like we have given it four positions, so wherever it like to move, it can move to any position through that. So we have make it this happening here. Next thing, like the direction, what will be the direction like? So for that we will put an if loop here. We go to controls and take an if loop, and in this if loop we will use this direction, but before using the direction we have to give an operation here, operator equal to, and this operator equal to, we go to variables and take direction and put it 1. So when the direction is 1, so what it will do, it will point in direction 90. Similarly I duplicate this and put in here, and duplicate another one and put it here. So we have taken the 4 directions, so I have taken a 4 if here, 1 2 3 4. So first one is for 1, second one is for 2, and instead of 90 what we will do, I will take it 0, and then here I will put it 3, and in 3 what we will do, in 3 I will take, first of all what I will do, I will take 0, so it will start from the 0. So we have some idea, like first of all is 0, then 90, then I will put 180, and I have taken 1 2 3 0. Okay, here I will put 90, and then here I will put 180, and in the last one I will put minus 90. So I have taken the 4 direction for that. Now what we will do, we give this all this set a block. A block is basically giving all this programming a name, a particular name to all this programming, whatever we have done in this all set. So that we do not need to do this programming and again, for that we will give it a block. So we will go to the block and make a block and give it a name, change direction. and after giving a name we picked OK. So we have defined a change direction here. So now the complete name of this programming is change direction. Now we have a block here, so we will put it here, and after that what I will do, we go to control and take a forever loop, and in this forever loop we set direction to pick random position again, like whenever this, when we start it, this program will work out, like this all complete program will work out here, and then it will move to a different position. So we will go to set and take direction again, and here we will put two operators and pick two random positions to some extent, like it can go to 20 or either it can go to 50. So there is certain, they can move up to a certain extent from 20 to 50, and after that there will be a change in this direction. So change direction, and they will set direction to 20 to 50. Then we will take to go to control and take a repeat block from here. Here we have a repeat block, and after taking a repeat block we go to variables, and from here I will take in direction here, and then it will move certain steps, and these steps are 3 steps. So it can move to, I will just check it out whether it's working or not. So it's working, but the problem is like it is touching the, we start it again. So it start from a certain position here, like set its position somewhere here. So what I will do, I just first of all change its position. So where it is somewhere behind. I just want to change its position. I just put it from here. Okay, so what we will do, we will start from a certain position, so we put it here in between and go to, and take this go to, so go to, our position is now is x and 107, so it's here, and then we will put this block here, and let's check it out whether it's working or not. Now it's working, but the problem is that it's going through the maze, so it's going across the lines, and we do not want to cross these lines. So for that what we will do, we will put an if loop here, go to the controls and take an if loop inside this, and here we will go to sensing and take the color, and just go to this color and go to this paint, this button here, and just select this color. So when it will click on this color, so it will not touch this, so we will put a minus here to move in here. So when we put there, I will put -4 here, so it will move -4. So let's check. So it's moving now, but it's not going across the lines because it's a -4 here and -3 here. So this way we have created some coding in the in Ghost, where we have given it certain directions like 1 to 4. It can move to from 1 to 4, and we give it a block. So through this block we can use it in our program. So we first of all create a separate program for this, and then we use it in a block. Then we will get it some movement like 20 to 50, like if we will reduce it, like what will happen, let's check it out. So the only difference is it is a random position, so its movement will be decreased. Like if you will decrease it, its movement will decrease, like if you will take it 20. So let's check how much it moves. Now it will move a little bit in a very little, it will move a little, so we can fix its position like this only. So where we want it, so if we will put it to 50, then it will be increased. So let's check it out now. So it will increase its movement. To increase its movement, we increase that. So I think this is the way we can create a program for this Ghost. So in the next program we will do more thing about it. So that's all in this. So stay tuned with us or subscribe us for more videos. Thank you.